I just want to be one of the very first people to welcome you to our Personal Statement and Diversity Statement boot camps. We are so thrilled to have you here with us. We're going to spend the next several weeks growing together, learning together, and generally making sure that you have everything you need to set out and achieve every single goal that you have set for your law school application journey. We are so big on community here, and we are thrilled to have you in ours. We will spend the next several weeks learning about you, learning about your classmates, and generally making sure that you are as set up as possible and are in the very best position to start your law school education. You will spend 8 hours of class with your instructor and your classmates going through all of the basics of your personal statement, your diversity statement, and just a few other application components. In addition, you'll have 4 one-on-one sessions with your instructor, as well as weekly office hours to give you the chance to ask every single question that you may have. Now, boot camp is no walk in the park. We expect you to come to class ready to work. It's not just going to be sitting in front of your computer listening to your instructor lecture at you the whole time. We're going to be doing work during class. So come with your laptop, bring your notepad, whatever it is that you need to be prepared, and make sure that you are ready to go. We will start from the very beginning. We'll brainstorm stories to tell in your personal statement and in your diversity statement. We'll talk through the ways to put those stories together and make sure that you are telling a compelling story to your admissions committee members. We'll also take the time to evaluate whether or not you should include any addenda in your application. If the answer is yes to that question, we'll make sure that you know exactly how to write them so they are the most effective that they can be. As a quick reminder, all of those classes are going to be recorded, so on the off chance that you do have to miss, you'll have the link to watch the class as soon as you have a chance to. We'll be doing most of our work in a shared Google Drive, as well as on our editing platform. You'll have access to both of those things as soon as you come on board, and you'll have access to them throughout your time in boot camp. The other thing that we want to make sure you don't forget about is your lifetime access to our Slack workspace. You will have the chance, again, to meet all of your classmates, to connect with other boot camp cohorts, and to make sure that you have the chance to connect with former students that could be in law school right now or may already be practicing as attorneys. You'll have the chance to be mentored by those students, as well as eventually mentor yourself. We know that our boot camp is one of the very best investments that you can make in your legal education. Our former students have had successes such as T10 and T14 acceptances, as well as full tuition scholarship offers and many, many other things. We aren't just invested in making sure that you get into law school. We want to make sure that you thrive once you get there. So we are going to make sure that you have a community that you can ask questions to, that you can get help from, to make sure that you are thriving as you begin your law school education. We are so excited to be part of your law school journey. We cannot wait to see the impact that you will make, to see the impact that we know you will make as an attorney. Thank you so much for allowing us to be part of this journey. We are honored to be on it with you. We can't wait to meet you, and we look forward to starting class with you soon.